Today, we're kicking things up to another notch with 4 pro-level AI-powered tips to design thumbnails that are guaranteed to stop viewers in their scrolling tracks. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, highlight the key elements. Have you ever felt like your thumbnails are full of energy, but nobody quite gets the message? Shining a spotlight on the key elements of your video.
Oh, yes.
Example, the big, bold, pointy finger. This one's a classic, the circle of hype. Use Midjourney to generate a surreal scene where the character is trapped inside a glowing circle. This instantly tells viewers there's something strange afoot and gets them curious about what it could be. The contrast king. Sometimes less is more. Think black and white. Maybe it's a red question mark for a mystery video, or a golden trophy for a gaming challenge. Stark contrast will make that element pop. When you enter the Midjourney multiverse and generate 4 variations, you want to polish whatever Midjourney gave you. Use Midjourney to do this, or Photoshop, or Canva's AI magic tools to change eye color. Mouth shape. Clothing. Background. Enhance your AI-generated thumbnail images by adjusting the tone, the color, and maybe adding a sprinkle of extra spice. AI needs a tweak of your creative genius. Using AI for A/B testing. YouTube has now given us the opportunity to A/B test our thumbnails for free right on our channels. When you upload your video, where you would add a custom thumbnail, now you can add up to 3 images to A/B test. Using AI for image making lets you ditch the thumbnail guessing game. Use these AI tricks to make your thumbnail testing results epic. Choose your 3 favorite thumbnails and upload them to your YouTube channel with your video. Now move on to your next video while YouTube's analytics determine the winner. After a few days or a few weeks, analytics tell all. Which thumbnail reigns supreme? You now have YouTube's own data-driven insights on what actually grabs your audience's attention. Finally, level up your thumbnail game. Take what you just learned from your A/B testing and use it like a superpower. You can take elements from the winning thumbnail and infuse them into your next thumbnails. Maybe it was the bold colors that worked so well, or the extreme facial expression. Emotional appeal. Why faces make your thumbnails more clickable? Well, let's face it. A face with a feeling is a face that gets clicked. Thumbnails are like the tiny billboards of YouTube. They're your chance to grab attention, but you need emotions. It's a data-driven fact that thumbnails with faces that evoke an emotion attract more clicks. And here's why faces with feelings are the secret sauce to thumbnail success. First, it's the mirror effect. We're wired to connect with faces. Think about it. Have you ever scrolled past a thumbnail with a wide-eyed expression or extreme shock? You stopped and looked. Why? Because our brains are hardwired to react to emotions. They trigger curiosity and a desire to understand. The spoiler alert, but not really. Faced with a raised eyebrow hinting at a surprising discovery, a furrowed brow promising a deep dive into a mystery, faces are what give viewers a sneak peek at the emotional roller coaster they're about to experience in your video. It's like a tiny spoiler alert that whets their appetite without ruining the surprise. Next is emojis. Emojis are the universal language of the internet. I use them all the time in text. But what if you could ditch those little yellow heads and use a real human face to convey the same emotions? With AI tools like Midjourney, you can do that. Imagine creating a thumbnail with a face literally exploding with excitement for a crazy travel adventure. The empathy engine. Faces tap into our compassion as human beings. A character on the thumbnail looking stressed about a common problem, we instantly feel a connection and think, hey, that's how I feel. Maybe this video has the answer I need. Every creator knows that viewers reward a good image-driven thumbnail with a click. But sometimes you just need a little textual nudge. Here's how to make your best words pop using the power of AI. I'm going to call this the keyword kapow. Brainstorm the single most important word for your video. Is it hilarious, shocking, mind-blowing? Don't overthink it. This is your visual eye stopper. But what if fonts make you crazy? Midjourney can come to your rescue. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the myriad font choices, just feed Midjourney your keyword and a wild prompt like eggs made of exploding fireworks or a neon sign dripping with honey, and let the AI generate some crazy cool and unique text options. Experiment with placing text maybe in a corner for intrigue, or have it burst out of a broken window, or center it in the middle of a forehead for a brainy statement. You can let the AI make those decisions to get a placement you might not even have thought of, but it works. Once you find a formula that works, keep using it to create a visually cohesive thumbnail to brand your channel. Speaking of branding, in the next video series, we're going to deep dive into mind-blowing AI-powered tips to brand your channel. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using AI to boost your YouTube channel. I'm Sherry Barbera. Thanks for watching. Happy creating thumbnails. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, guys.
To learn more, subscribe. Okay.